kits. So available, as I have already discussed, there are three things through which we can ideally clinch. Suppose one kit is here, that sensitivity, this is the basically IgG IgM dengue kit. That is the most common being used in the society. The specificity is 100%, 90% is sensitivity. Similarly, here IgG IgM kit, so it is the most common. But one more is now available. This dengue NS1 antigen kit. Just last night at 8 o'clock, one of my relatives working in the airport, in their son basically, and he rang me that his son was having fever. IgG, IgM both are negative, but NS1 antigen test, whatever private doctor have suggested, he is gone for it and it was positive. So this is the kit available for market for first 5 days, and 4 to 5 days minimum incubation period, 4 to 5 days required for the test. But except this merit and demerit of this antigen test will be highlighted by Dr. Dhanwar and Dr. Sharma. But this is the available. So 3 kits are available generally: IgG, IgM, and this NS antigen test. And of course, PCR is the confirmatory for genomic, but the cost is very high, and it is not available, and it is not economically for screening. This is a PCR test. So 3 tests. If we are doing suspecting probable dengue, it will require minimum 4 to 5 days for the antibody to get positive. So IgM will be positive after minimum 5 to 7 days. NS1 antigen 4 to 5 days. And IgG is sign of the late infections, because once there are 4 variety of dengue virus, 1, 2, 3, 4. If suppose this year I have dengue 1, I will be immune to dengue 1 for lifelong ideally, but not immune to 2, 3, 4. So those zone with the dengue, they are one time they are infected with reinfection with the dengue 2 and 3 and 4 strain, and that is more killing, and that type of patient will be positive IgG. So infected cells, IgG will also be positive here. So this PCR and your is the confirmatory, but generally these 3 tests are the available. So we have to be, every year we have to find best treatment is to kill them through the public education. Don't allow them to this. Even a small thing, your fridge behind water, inside this, bathrooms, sweating plate of this, inside there is a tapping open, because dengue always in the stagnant water, not in the running water. So that is the only. Otherwise, even not adult, but these small babies, children, they are victims of this, and they are the daytime biter. Mostly they bite on the daytime. Only single bite is enough for the this. So we have to educate our public education regarding this, and of course we can control with that. Everywhere we have to fight it, and don't get panic, and few care will save us from this likely deadly disease. One of my doctor colleague, Dr. Sarkar, nephrologist, he was having, his photo was in the paper. He was treating patient, he himself got infected with this, and his photo was there. So no, everyone is vulnerable. Last year also 2 doctors from AIIMS have died during treating the dengue patient. So we have to be cautious for ourselves also, educate people, and don't get panicky. Reassurance is the main treatment. Reassurance with the proper things, and what complication will occur, well, we have to give with this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Dr. Malik.